Hello my people, I don come again. Is ogbonge sister AB Media wey dey bring better story dey come. As e dey happen na make me dey talk am o my people. So I bring better story wey dey happen o my people. Abeg make una see wetin dey happen. Dis children wey you dey see, dis man dem dey bring people from home dey give dem one lady wey dem dey call Jennifer wey dey for I think Benin State. So and dis lady now dem don catch am. The lady now dem dey find am o, no be say dem don catch am, but dis lady now, those ladies dem don catch dem. Dem dey born pikin, even pikin dey too much of pikin o. I no know the woman dey sell am abi dey take care of am. Sometimes im go tell dem make dem go use the pikin go beg money, make dem carry the pikin go and beg money. So I don't know why some people, some ladies their character, the way wey dem dey take find dis money, I no understand o. So na im Eke come tell dem say, police dey come catch dem, dem come tell dem say why una dey tell dis children make dem go dey bring, or person wey dey pregnant una go bring am make im born there, or people wey get belle or wey don born una go tell dem make dem bring their children. The girl, the small girl dey talk say the woman wey dem dey call Jennifer dey tell dem make dem, sometimes im go tell am say make e carry the baby, make dem carry the baby run, make dem carry the baby go beg money, make dem carry all those baby dem go dey beg money dey come, dem go dey give am the money. Abeg my people, some people na from Imo State. There's one woman wey carry twins, the woman from Imo State. And the another one, all of them, some of them na Akwa Ibom. And the woman wey from Imo State, e say na that man wey dey show for the picture, this man na im carry am come from Imo State yesterday. So my people, I no know wetin dey worry our people o. I no know wetin dey worry us o, because this thing now, the way wey dem dey take do am, I no understand o. The Jennifer now, dem dey find am seriously, and the Rita, e get one wey dem dey call Rita, e say dem dey find am. Na so this woman wey una dey see here, e carry im pikin from Akwa Ibom, twins, e carry dem come because of, e be like say the woman tell am say im go dey see money. If the pikin grow, dem go dey use dem dey beg money. And e be like say e still get another pikin there. E say im go carry dem go dey beg money, people go dey dash dem money. So na my people, na im make me carry the story. Na make me carry the story come o. So make una use una eye see, make no be say this girl wey una dey see here, this one wey una dey see now, my people, this lady say na that Jennifer na im bring am come. As the Jennifer bring am come, im sef carry im own two kids come there. As im carry im own two kids, Jennifer come carry another kid join am, tell am say everyday make e dey carry those kids dey go comot, make e dey carry dem comot go dey beg money, say people go dey dash dem money, say make dem dey beg money everyday, say im go dey money carry dem go dey beg money. So the man come dey ask dem say na money e dey beg, you no get hand? E tell the man, the man ask am say you don have hand? Wahala nothing person no go see for this world, you no get hand, why you dey beg? E say im just tell am say make e dey carry the children dey go beg. I don't know. When the man dey ask am say why are you begging, e come dey talk here. My people, nothing person no go see. You go get fine girl like this, fine small girl like this, e cannot find something or do enter school, even though your parents no get money, e can't find any other thing to do. Not to even im own kid, e born two o, and dem join am with another kid, tell am say make im dey carry the baby dey waka up and down dey beg money. So every time if im beg money finish, im go come submit the amount wey be say dem beg. Na so the Jennifer dem tell am o. So I no know, that Jennifer now and Rita dem dey find dem seriously. See all of them dem carry their children come from far o, come stay there. Dem carry their baby dem come from far, come that place, come dey stay. Abeg my people, abeg make una dey take am easy, make una dey take am easy dey find this money o, because this money go leave and go. Look at children. This is so much, this is very bad, this is very very bad. I am telling you, this is so bad. A young girls that is supposed to be in school, all of them, you make them to bomb, so it can be using them to be begging money. Which kind of life is this? This is so bad. bad. Is why I bring this story. I say make I show my people wey dey like to watch my video, make dem see, make dem no think say abi AB media dey talk another thing. Abeg, but na true I dey tell una as e dey happen o. The Jennifer now dem dey find am up and down because dem want to catch the Jennifer because what the Jennifer is doing is so very very wrong. The Jennifer will carry you. Dem now ask them, what about, are you people selling the kit? He said no, they are not selling the kit. They will just be using the kit to be begging money is what they are doing. Is they are not selling any kit, not to use them to beg money is what they are doing. So look at what they are saying. Look at for what they are saying, my people. So nothing person no go see you. I'm telling you, my people, nothing person no go see. Now make me dey tell you, say my people, as I see this thing, I say let me show you people. I beg, make we take am easy, my people. Now make una dey take am easy. The way una dey take find this money God go give you. This money God go give you. Don't be doing something bad, something so bad. How can you be selling? How can you be telling people to be using their baby to be begging money on the street, be using to be begging money so they will be bringing money for you every month? I beg, my people. That make me bring this story come on. Some of them, all this, many of them when you see here from Akwa Ibom, the only one lady is from Imo State. She have a twins. You say now yesterday him just come. Say no. These ones where you see here, all of them now Akwa Ibom. Now then carry them come from Akwa Ibom. Then they tell them say make them they use their baby, they beg money. See, and me, I don't understand this kind of thing. No, they cannot buy, even though na pure water be selling to get your respect as a woman, even though na pure water. What is our problem is that we don't value what we have. We have big eye. We don't value what you have. It cannot be selling pure water. Why can't you be selling pure water? It's something. Even though it's not pure water, it can find something and buy something and be selling it in Nigeria there. But you want to be using your children to be begging money, which is so bad. How can you train your baby with begging money up and down? It cannot find some work. It cannot find something to do for yourself, and you're begging money where you have your hand, when you're strong. Look at the kids, they are hungry and everything. Look at the way fly is, all of them touching them fly everywhere. I beg, I don't understand. So it's why I bring this story. I say my people should help me to see you. They are looking for that Jennifer and Lita because those people that be their madam and their manager, they want to catch them. Their police, they are looking for them because this is so very bad and very very bad. I don't like this kind of life. So my people now make me bring and come on. Subscribe to AB Media where they bring a bring story. They come on, subscribe and like. Bye bye.